Are you tired of the endless scroll, the constant notifications, the feeling that your entire life is lived through a screen? Do you ever wish you could just unplug and make real money with your own two hands in your own community? What if I told you that you don't need a Wi-Fi signal, a fancy website, or a viral social media account to start a profitable side hustle? In fact, you can launch one this weekend with less than $50 in your pocket. Forget waiting for online payouts or wrestling with algorithms. We're diving into 7 real-world hustles that pay fast, require minimal startup costs, and connect you with your local community. These are tangible, satisfying, and proven ways to earn extra cash immediately. So, let's get offline and get to work. First up, the classic treasure hunt, garage sale flipping. The concept is simple. Buy low, sell high. Your hunting grounds are thrift stores, yard sales, and estate sales. Your goal is to find undervalued gems. Look for quality vintage clothing. Denim jackets, leather goods, and band tees are always in demand. Small, solid wood furniture is another gold mine. A quick sanding and a fresh coat of paint can turn a $5 side table into a $50 statement piece. Don't overlook collectibles either. Old vinyl records, retro video games, or unique kitchenware can fetch a surprising price. The key is to negotiate. Always politely ask, "Is there any flexibility on the price?" Or, "Would you take 10 for this?" Once you've gathered your inventory, you don't need to mess with online listings or shipping. Rent a small table at a local flea market or a community craft fair. The beauty of this hustle is the immediate cash-in-hand transaction. You can start with a budget of just $50 for your first haul and potentially double or triple it in a single Saturday. It's all about the thrill of the find and the satisfaction of the sale. Hustle number 2, local tutoring. If you have expertise in any academic subject, you have a high-value service to offer. Parents are always looking for one-on-one support for their kids. You can specialize in core subjects like math, from basic algebra to advanced calculus. Or, if you're bilingual, offer language lessons. Think conversational Spanish for upcoming vacations or French for high school students. Test prep is another huge market, helping students prepare for the SAT, ACT, or other standardized tests can command premium rates. To find your first clients, go old school. Create a simple professional flyer with your name, subjects offered, contact info, and your hourly rate. Post it on community boards at libraries, coffee shops, and grocery stores. A good starting rate is between $25 to $50 an hour, depending on the subject and your experience. For safety and professionalism, always meet in a public place like the local library for the first few sessions. This hustle has virtually zero startup cost and can quickly build into a steady stream of income through word of mouth. Number 3 is for the doers, handyman and odd jobs. In every neighborhood, there are dozens of small tasks that people either can't do or don't have time for. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a master contractor. Start with a basic toolkit, a good cordless drill, a hammer, a set of screwdrivers, a tape measure, and a level. Common jobs include hanging pictures and shelves, fixing leaky faucets, assembling flat-pack furniture, the bane of many people's existence, or doing seasonal yard work, like raking leaves or trimming hedges. Create a simple menu of services with clear pricing. You can charge by the hour, say $35 to $60, or offer a flat rate for common tasks. Consider bundling services like hang 3 pictures for $50. Your first clients are your neighbors. Let them know you're available for small jobs. A single, well-done job often leads to referrals, and before you know it, you'll be the go-to handyman on your block. Just be clear about what you can and cannot do to manage expectations. Our 4th hustle is perfect for animal lovers, pet services. People adore their pets and are willing to pay for reliable, loving care. The most accessible service is dog walking. Busy professionals often need someone for a midday walk. You can charge per walk, typically $15 to $25 for a 30-minute session. Pet sitting is another fantastic option. especially during holidays and summer vacation. You can offer to stay at the owner's home or have pets stay with you, charging a nightly rate of $40 to $75 or more. If you have the skills, you can even offer light grooming services like bathing and brushing. The startup cost is incredibly low: leashes, treats, and your time. The key to success here is trust and reliability. Create a simple system for managing keys and schedules. Plan your dog walking routes to be efficient, grouping clients in the same neighborhood. This hustle thrives on repeat business. A happy dog and a happy owner mean a steady client for months or even years to come. Hustle number 5 brings the sparkle right to the customer. Mobile car washing and detailing. Everyone loves a clean car, but nobody loves spending their Saturday at a crowded car wash. By going mobile, you offer ultimate convenience. Your starter kit can be assembled for under $100. A couple of buckets, high-quality microfiber towels, car wash soap, a portable vacuum, and some interior cleaning spray. You can use the customer's water source or invest in a large water tank as you grow. Create simple pricing tiers. A basic exterior wash could be $30, a wash and wax $50. Then upsell with a full interior detail, vacuuming, wiping down surfaces, cleaning windows for $100 or more. To be efficient, try to batch your appointments, scheduling several clients in the same neighborhood on the same day to minimize travel time. This is a satisfying, results-oriented business where a little elbow grease can lead to a very shiny profit. Let's move on to hustle number 6, event help. Every weekend, your town is filled with weddings, corporate parties, festivals, and private gatherings. And every single one of them needs reliable people to make things run smoothly. This is a perfect hustle for someone who is organized and enjoys a dynamic environment. You can offer your services for setup and teardown, arranging tables, chairs, and decorations. You could manage parking coordination, ensuring guests arrive and depart smoothly, or run a simple coat check service during colder months. These are crucial jobs that event planners are desperate to fill. To get started, reach out to local event venues, catering companies, and party planners. Introduce yourself and let them know you're available for weekend gigs. The pay is often excellent, ranging from $20 to $30 an hour, and you're typically paid in cash at the end of the night. It's a fantastic way to earn a significant amount of money in just 1 or 2 shifts. And our final offline hustle, number 7, local delivery and courier. Before the big apps dominated the scene, there was the local courier, and there's still a huge need for it. Think beyond just food. You can offer to run errands for seniors, like picking up prescriptions or groceries. Small businesses like law firms or architects often need urgent, same-day delivery of documents across town. You could even partner with a local florist to handle their deliveries during busy times like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. You can use a car, a scooter, or even a bicycle in a dense urban area. Your pricing model could be a flat fee per delivery, plus a mileage charge. It's crucial to be reliable, punctual, and professional. This is a business built on trust, especially when handling important documents or medication. Market your services to small businesses and in community centers to find your first clients. Okay, before you run out the door, here are some rapid-fire pro tips that apply to all of these hustles. First, price competitively. Research what others in your area charge and price yourself fairly to attract your first clients. Second, get business cards. They are cheap, professional, and an easy way to leave your contact info. Third, always be punctual. Reliability is your most valuable asset in any service business. Fourth, ask for referrals. A happy customer is your best marketing tool. Simply say, if you know anyone else who could use my help, I'd appreciate you passing my name along. Feeling motivated? Here's how you can get your first client today. Step 1. Pick one hustle from this list that genuinely excites you. Step 2. Create a simple flyer or business card. Don't overthink it. Just your name, service, and phone number. Step 3. Talk to 10 people. Knock on 5 neighbors' doors and walk into 5 local businesses. Introduce yourself and what you offer. The hardest part is starting, but action creates momentum. We've covered flipping, tutoring, handyman work, pet services, car washing, event help, and local delivery. 7 powerful ways to make money without being tied to the internet. The opportunity to earn is all around you, right in your own neighborhood. So pick one, commit to it for the next 30 days, and see what happens. You have nothing to lose and a whole new income stream to gain. Now, I want to hear from you. Report back in the comments. Which hustle are you starting this weekend?